All right, so hi. This video, well, my name's Danielle and this is Tyler.
Hey.
Hi. And right now we're in my parents' bedroom. If you could see around us, you'll see the bedroom.
And over here.
Yes, with him right there. And what this video is about is it's about using crystals to help you overcome nightmares. So my father suffered with severe nightmares for many years. So I came up with a solution for him using crystals. So right now I'm going to show you. There's two crystals here. And let me say, hold on. No, that's not good. Here, we're going to hold it like this. So this one here is a selenite crystal. This is a selenite sphere. You want to get a sphere. Selenite clears the space and it uplifts the energy and it purifies the energy. So it clears any negativity. And that's what you want to have in your space. You want to have positive, clear energy in your space when you go into your sleep state. The second one to have is a shungite or shungite ball, a sphere as well. You want to have of equal size. So here, this is about a 70 millimeter. This one is a 60 millimeter. You can find them online. You can look up selenite. That's Selenite. Or shungite. Shungite is Shungite. The shungite, what this does is it comes from one place in a small lake, or rather large lake, in Russia. This grounds your energy. So the selenite purifies the energy and the shungite grounds it. And what it does is it detoxifies the area, but also grounds you here on earth, which is very important because the selenite energy is a very high vibration, uplifting energy. And what winds up happening is you can kind of float in ethereal with this. What we do here is I take both of these spheres and I place them underneath the bed. So if you could see, here's the bed. It's a little difficult to see. And I place them underneath the bed in the position where my father sleeps. My father sleeps on this side of the bed. What I do is I put so if my father is laying down, I put the shungite on the left side and I put the selenite on the right side. What did you say, Ty?
I said, or you can if you have crystals, you can also put them underneath your pillow.
Absolutely. We're going to get to that. It's a very good point. We're going to get to that in a second. So what I do is underneath the bed, and you can get a stand. I have stands for these, as you can see. The stands keep the sphere energy around evenly. Okay, wait, yes, we will talk about that, certainly. He's talking about what we do with him with the crystals at night. But we'll definitely talk about that. But this first, and the importance of getting a sphere shape for your crystal is because the sphere shape, the way the energy works is like the way the energy revolves around the planet. Is it literally, if I can lift this up here and show you, literally the energy comes out the polar top and revolves around to the bottom. If I could do this. So it goes like this around. So you want to have that energy radiating out, surrounding the entire space. This bedroom is relatively large, as you could see. I really don't know exactly what the square footage is, but that's why we chose a 70 millimeter and a 60 millimeter sphere.
That's right.
So that the whole space will be cleared, cleansed, and grounded. So I place these under the bed. And let me see if I can do this. Ty, could you hold this up for me while I do this, please? Thank you. Just hold this. See what I'm doing? Yes, thank you. Okay, so I place these right underneath the bed. Again, the shungite goes on the left of where my father sleeps, and then the selenite, let me see, goes on the right. So the shungite is literally on this side of my father. Then what we do is I put some amethyst. Here is a nice amethyst piece. Amethyst is a wonderful crystal to have. It just is a very pleasant vibration. It also helps to absorb anything in the atmosphere that is negative of any way. It uplifts and enlightens. And then I have a small bed of quartz. You don't have to have beds of quartz, of geodes. You can have just crystal, a crystal shard, wherever you want. And this also raises the vibration. So this gets rid of the nightmares. It literally purifies the energy. Now, if you want to go, you don't have to go this far, but if you want to, you can place crystals under your pillow. So let's see what my parents... Yes, let me see if my parents still have it here. Let me see, hold on. Oh, yes. Okay, so here, behind the pillow, this is the pillow. You can hear them. Here it is, right here. Okay, so these two crystals, I have it in a pouch, keep it in the pillow. And let me just get them open. Ty, can you hold this for me? Oh, thank you, little man. Okay. So I have in here a piece of citrine. Citrine is, think of the sun, and it's a happy, joyful stone. So it gives happy, joyful energy. Then, what do I have here? I think it's moonstone. Ah, yes, moonstone. So this is moonstone.
Think of the moon with this one.
Absolutely. The moon is a good way to think about it. What it actually does, oh, what? There, that's perfect. What moonstone actually does is it connects to your energy and strengthens your energy, so your sense of self. So I chose these for my father because I thought it was a good fit for him. But you can choose a multitude. Lepidolite is a good one to have. We use, right, Tyler? We use that in your room. That helps you.
We use lepidolite from my room and
what else?
Amethyst.
Amethyst in his room as well, under the pillow. And it really depends upon the individual. So if you wanted any advice, if you want to share me a bit about the person that you want to help with the nightmares, I could definitely advise you on what individual crystals if you wanted to go that far. But again, you don't have to go that far. The selenite sphere and the shungite sphere, and I would advise minimally a piece of amethyst placed right bedside, which is right next to where my father sleeps, is where, yes, there it is right there. He has the amethyst and the crystal quartz. So if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to help you with anything else. And Tyler, you have something to say?
Yes. This is one rule. And my mom always tells me this at night when I go to bed.
What?
That when you put the crystals in a pouch, make sure your kids do not open the pouch and touch it, because if you're a parent right now and you have kids and they don't know that, just let them know.
And why is it important not to touch it? Or play with it, really, is what it is.
Because I once played with a crystal and it broke.
Yeah.
And my mom didn't like that, so
well, yeah.
it's not really good to do that.
Well, it happens.
And the other thing is, I think that it might not.
What?
I don't know really how else to say it, but I don't really know any other.
Well, because the crystals are to be respected. It's not a toy for you to be playing around with, and then you leave it, you fall asleep, it falls on the side of the bed. So the idea is to put it in your pouch, know that it's there, be aware that it's there, and, you know, I mean, you want to take it out and you want to touch it, you want to connect with it, that's very important. But in essence, yes, if you have kids, try not to let them play with them too much. They need to respect them. Okay? And so we're going to say thank you very much, and be well, and lots of love.
Yep, so this is Your Best Version. That's our YouTube channel.
Your greatest version.
Yeah, your greatest, I'm sorry.
Yeah?
Maybe we might make an email. We have a lot of emails. We have my email, which is Tyler CM.
Well, we're not doing the personal email. Our email is greatestversion33.
Yes,
that's our email. You can email us there. Thanks again. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.